Hey guys, so in this video I'll be showing you how to solve the Compare the Triplets problem on HackerRank. So this is rated as an easy problem and I'll be solving it using JavaScript. So this problem is very simple. Essentially you have two triplets which represent a series of 3-point ratings for both Alice and Bob. So Alice has a triplet and Bob has a triplet. And we want to compare each triplet element by element to figure out how many total points Alice and Bob each get. So if a number is greater than another number at a certain index, we give its owner a point, and if two numbers are equal, no one gets a point. So the most points someone can get is 3, and the least is 0. So a problem like this is one where you might start overthinking things just because it seems way too easy, but in this case it actually is super easy. So if we go to the code, the first two things that we want to do is create two variables for Alice and Bob's points. So we can just say a points starts off at 0 and the same for Bob. And then since we have triplets and we know that there's always going to be only 3 comparisons, we can just create a for loop that goes and cycles through 3 times. And then within this loop, we want to check if Alice wins or if Bob wins. So we can start off with Alice. We can say if Alice's number is greater than Bob's number, then Alice gets the point. And then alternatively, if Bob's number is greater than Alice's number, then Bob gets the point. And then they want us to return an int array with Alice first and then Bob. So we can just do return A points and then B points. And that's basically it. We don't have to check if the numbers are equal because nothing happens in that case. We only have to check if someone wins, and we have both those win cases covered. So that's it. We can just copy the code now, run the tests, and we pass. So yeah, that's basically it. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.